Okay, today I'll be going over question number 87, which talks about how smoke detectors work. So let me draw out. So smoke detectors have two plates. And this plate's going to be a little different, but one side is going to be plus charged, or positively charged, and the other side is going to be negatively charged. There is a circuit, and let's just do this is your smoke detector. So smoke detector. And it's connected to a battery, plus, minus, and this is going to be your battery. So when an alpha particle is emitted by your Americium, it ionizes your air molecules between the plates, which makes it on one side of the plate positive and on the other side of the plate negative. And then when there's smoke, so let's just smoke. It ends up, so say there's smoke that gets into your plates. It will end up reducing your current. So let me just put right here. Reduce your current, which ends up triggering your alarm.